Last July, I hosted a huge backyard barbecue. An hour in, my cheap plastic cooler cracked. I had warm sodas, soggy hot dog buns floating in melted ice, and guests politely pretending they weren't miserable. Never again. Buying a patio cooler should be easy, but most of them leak, rust, or can't hold ice for an afternoon. I spent the last few months testing the top options so you don't have to. And honestly, the #1 spot completely saved my summer. 5. Vingli Rolling Cooler Ice Chest. On the surface, it looks like a standard 80-quart cart that would fit nicely on a deck. It has that classic metal body and 4 wheels, the exact style you see at every hardware store. It holds plenty of cans, and the dual lids make it easy to grab a drink without letting all the cold air out. But the assembly process is incredibly frustrating. I spent almost an hour trying to get the legs aligned. The screws feel cheap, and if you tighten them too much, you might strip the metal. Well, that is not exactly how you want to kick off a relaxing weekend. The inside is lined with plastic and some foam insulation, but it really struggles when the sun hits it directly. I loaded it up on a hot afternoon, and by evening I had a lot of water. It barely held ice for 6 hours. I mean, if you're hosting a quick 2-hour dinner, it's fine, but do not expect your drinks to stay frosty overnight. Then there are the wheels. They're advertised as heavy-duty, but they struggle on anything other than perfectly smooth concrete. Trying to roll this fully loaded cooler across my lawn felt like dragging a boulder. The wheel locks also feel flimsy. I actually worried a strong breeze might push it off the patio. It's budget-friendly, but you get what you pay for. The metal feels a bit thin, and I noticed some early signs of rust near the hinges after just a few weeks outside. 4. Yitahome 80-quart rolling cooler cart. This one shares a very similar design to the Vingli. It has a decent-looking powder-coated finish and comes with a built-in bottle opener and cap catcher. Honestly, having the bottle opener right there is a lifesaver when your hands are full of BBQ tongs and plates. The build quality feels a slight step up. The legs are a bit thicker, and it does not wobble as much when you open the lid. Stability is huge when you have 80 quarts of water and ice sloshing around. The bottom shelf is also surprisingly sturdy for holding extra towels or a case of soda. But here's the problem. The ice retention is just barely average. I tested this during a weekend heat wave, and the ice was completely gone by the next morning. The lid does not create a tight seal. You can actually feel cold air escaping if you run your hand along the edge. Well, if you're spending this much, you want the cold air to stay inside. I also ran into an issue with the drainage plug. You would think draining a cooler would be simple, but the plug on this model is positioned just a little too high on the inside basin. That means you have to physically tilt the entire heavy cart just to get the last inch of water out. I mean, nobody wants to wrestle a metal cart just to clean it up. 3. Keter Portable Outdoor Patio Cooling Chest. This is the Keter 89.8-quart Portable Outdoor Patio Cooling Chest. Keter took a completely different approach here. Instead of metal, they used a weather-resistant resin. Let me tell you, that decision changes everything if you leave your cooler outside all year round. You see, resin does not rust. I left this out in the rain for a week just to test it, and it looked brand new after a quick wipe down. The wood panel texture actually looks sophisticated. It blends in perfectly with modern patio furniture. Sometimes metal carts can look a bit too industrial, but this feels like a real piece of outdoor furniture. Insulation is a massive upgrade over the previous two. The resin walls are thick. I loaded it with ice on a Friday afternoon, and we still had a solid slushy mix by Sunday morning. Here's what matters. You do not want to constantly run to the gas station for more ice in the middle of a party. This Keter cooler actually protects your investment. The usability is also fantastic. The top opens up smoothly with a piston system. It stays open on its own so you don't have a heavy lid crashing down on your fingers while you dig for a soda. The drainage system is also placed perfectly flush with the bottom. Pull the plug and every drop drains out completely without any tipping or tilting. 2. Best Choice Products Outdoor Steel Rolling Cooler Cart. If you love that classic retro aesthetic, this is exactly what you want. It brings a really fun, nostalgic vibe to a backyard. I tested the red version, and it instantly became a conversation starter the moment my guests walked outside. Build quality here is genuinely impressive. The steel feels thick and substantial, the handles are bolted on tight, and the dual folding lids operate smoothly without any annoying squeaks. I really appreciate how the lids overlap just slightly to create a better seal against the heat. You know, those small details make a massive difference. Ice retention is fantastic. I kept drinks cold in this for over 48 hours in direct sunlight. The internal lining is easy to wipe clean. I accidentally spilled some sticky margarita mix inside, and it wiped right off with a wet paper towel. I mean, easy cleanup is a must when you are exhausted after hosting. Unlike the previous carts, these wheels are large and incredibly smooth. 2 of them have heavy-duty locking casters. I rolled this across my bumpy lawn, over some tree roots, and onto the patio without spilling a drop. It feels incredibly secure once you lock those wheels down. Overall, it is a rock-solid performer. It hits that sweet spot of looking great and actually doing its job. It has the bottle opener, the bottom shelf, and excellent insulation. It is slightly heavier to push around when fully loaded, but that weight is just proof of its solid construction. Permasteel Party Cooler with Divider. Now we are getting into premium territory. Permasteel has a reputation for making great outdoor gear, and this model absolutely lives up to the hype. It has a beautiful powder-coated finish that completely resists fading and chipping. The standout feature here is the removable divider. Well, this is a total game changer. You can put beer and hard seltzers on one side and juice boxes and water on the other. No more digging through a freezing soup of cans trying to find the one ginger ale. It keeps everything perfectly organized for your guests. The insulation is top tier. I actually used this for a camping trip. We loaded it on a Thursday, and by Sunday we still had ice chunks keeping the leftover food safe. The lids are fully removable too. If you're throwing a massive party, you can just take the lids off entirely so people can grab drinks as quickly as possible. The basin is also fully insulated with injected foam. It does not sweat. You know how some coolers get condensation all over the outside and leave puddles on your deck? That does not happen here. Your patio stays completely dry. The drain plug is stainless steel and features a little chain so you never lose it. Bottom line, the Permasteel is an absolute beast. It is durable, beautiful, and incredibly practical with that divider. It honestly could have been number 1, but there is one cooler that just barely edged it out in terms of overall value and capacity.